Track and field news now. When Oblique Seville won the RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman title in January for winning gold at the 2024 Tokyo World Championships, his biggest cheerleader on hand was his mother, Juliet Seville. However, it was a bittersweet moment as someone equally as important was missing. Here's Denise Walters with that story.
Oblique Seville won the men's 100 meters at the 2024 World Championships, leading to him being crowned the Sportsman of the Year for 2024. But his mother, Juliet Seville, almost missed him crossing the line first in Tokyo.
When he won the race, I was coming from church. My family member them said, "Auntie Juliet, you're not watching the race?" And I said, "No." And then he said, "All right." I make up my mind and watched it. And I watched the race. And when I see him where he was and he stepped out, I said, "Thank you, Jesus. Only you could do it." And I burst in tears.
She explains why it's an emotional moment.
Why I cried too, I remember the father. And it's sad to know that he's not around, but...
Mrs. Seville revealed the father, Gerald Seville, was very instrumental in helping Oblique settling at Home Technical and also supported him at track meets on the weekends when he made the move from St. Thomas to Manchester.
Mr. Seville, his father, go with him to Manchester. And I remember when he go down there on Sunday evening, when he go down there, he come up back, and when he come, give him breakfast in the morning. I heard him come out of the house and him cry. I say, "What happened to you?" I always say, "Sugar. What happened to you, Sugar?" After I don't know if Oblique eat anything from morning, and him burst in tears. He was a tower of strength behind him. I used to sell in the market. Every event, everything that Oblique do, he was there. So he was Oblique motivator.
Unfortunately, he didn't get to witness Oblique coming to the nation's attention as a teenager, winning the boys' Class 1 100 meters at the ISA Boys and Girls Champs in 2019 for Calabar.
It's the same time the father died, the father died 2018 and him buried 19th of January. And then the months after him run the race and he win, I was so happy. And one of the time he said to me, "Mommy, if my father do only see one of my race, I feel better."
Oblique, she says, was hit hard by his father's passing.
It was really, really, really hurt because they were very close. Close, when I say close, they were very close. It hurt, but family, as a family, we stood behind him. I couldn't not tell him not to cry because they were very close. So even if Oblique come on the stadium and say, "I'm not talk about Mr. Seville," I wouldn't feel no way because he was there for him in everything.
Meanwhile, Mrs. Seville was on hand to witness her son being crowned the Sportsman of the Year at the RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sports Awards earlier this year.
And this means a lot to me. It's a great feeling because it taught me about patience, and when the time is right, God will deliver.
Walters for TVJ Sports.